Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of real estate investments. It's something I'm super passionate about, and I'm excited to share some insights with you guys. Real estate has always been a popular investment choice, and for good reason. It can offer incredible opportunities for building wealth and generating passive income. But like any investment, it's crucial to understand the different options available and what each one entails. That's exactly what we'll be covering today. We'll explore the different types of real estate investments and discuss the pros and cons of each. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of which type of real estate investment might be the right fit for you and your financial goals. All right, let's kick things off with residential real estate, the most common type of real estate investment. When people think of real estate, this is usually what comes to mind. We're talking about properties designed for people to live in, and this category itself has a bunch of different options. First up, we have single-family homes. These are detached houses designed for one family, the classic American dream, right? They're super popular with first-time home buyers and families, which often translates to consistent demand in the market. As an investor, that means you have a good chance of finding tenants and generating rental income. Then you've got multifamily homes, which are buildings designed for, you guessed it, multiple families. Think duplexes, triplexes, and those small apartment complexes you see around. The cool thing about these is that they offer multiple streams of income from different units. More units, more rent checks. And let's not forget about condos, those individually owned units within a larger building or complex. Condos are attractive, especially in busy cities, because they often come with amenities like pools, gyms, and security, making them attractive to renters. Now, investing in residential real estate does have its perks. First of all, it can provide a steady stream of passive income through rent payments. And if you choose your properties wisely, you can benefit from property appreciation over time, meaning your investment grows in value. Plus, there's something really satisfying about providing comfortable and safe housing for people. However, it's important to be aware of the drawbacks too. One of the main ones is the responsibility that comes with being a landlord. Dealing with tenants, handling maintenance requests, and managing repairs can be time-consuming and sometimes even stressful. Maintaining a property, whether it's a single-family home or a multi-unit building, can eat into your profits, especially if you're not handy yourself. You've got to factor in things like property taxes, insurance, and the occasional unexpected repair. And let's be real, dealing with tenants isn't always a walk in the park. You might encounter late rent payments, property damage, or even evictions, all of which can be financially and emotionally draining. But hey, it's all part of the game, right? Now let's move on to a different type of real estate investment that might pique your interest: commercial real estate. All right, now let's step into the world of commercial real estate. This is where things get a little more, shall we say, high stakes. We're talking about properties that are used for business purposes, and they come with their own set of advantages and challenges. Think about the places you visit regularly. Office buildings, retail spaces, shopping centers, restaurants, hotels. These all fall under the umbrella of commercial real estate. One of the biggest draws of commercial real estate is the potential for higher income compared to residential properties. Businesses are generally willing to pay higher rents, especially in prime locations. Plus, commercial leases tend to be longer, providing more stable and predictable cash flow for investors. Now let's break down some of the different types of commercial properties. You've got office buildings, which can range from small single-tenant buildings to massive skyscrapers housing multinational corporations. Then there are retail spaces, which include everything from your local coffee shop to those massive shopping malls we all know and love, or love to hate, depending on the day. And let's not forget about industrial properties. These are the workhorses of the commercial real estate world, encompassing warehouses, factories, and distribution centers. Investing in commercial real estate can be incredibly lucrative. Longer lease terms mean fewer vacancies and more consistent income. And let's be real, businesses tend to be more financially stable than individual tenants, which can mean fewer headaches when it comes to rent collection. But, of course, there are always two sides to the coin. Commercial real estate often requires a significantly higher initial investment compared to residential properties. You're dealing with larger buildings, more complex systems, and potentially higher property taxes and insurance premiums. And here's the thing, commercial real estate can be more sensitive to economic downturns. When the economy takes a hit, businesses might struggle, leading to vacancies and a drop in your rental income. So while commercial real estate can offer fantastic opportunities, it's essential to do your due diligence, understand the risks, and be prepared for the ups and downs that come with the territory. Speaking of ups and downs, let's shift gears and talk about industrial real estate, a sector that's been booming lately. All right, let's dive into the world of industrial real estate, a sector that's often overlooked but has been absolutely crushing it in recent years. We're talking about properties that are used for manufacturing, production, storage, and distribution. Think massive warehouses, bustling factories, and those sprawling distribution centers that are essential to getting products into the hands of consumers. One of the biggest advantages of industrial real estate is the potential for long-term leases. Businesses in these sectors often need specialized spaces and are less likely to relocate frequently. This means more stable and predictable income for you as an investor. Plus, industrial properties tend to have lower operating costs compared to other types of commercial real estate. You're not dealing with fancy finishes or high-maintenance amenities, which can save you a ton of money in the long run. And here's another perk. Industrial real estate is often less competitive compared to other sectors. There are fewer institutional investors playing in this space, which means you might be able to snag some great deals if you know where to look. But of course, there are always trade-offs. Industrial real estate can be heavily dependent on location. You need to be close to transportation hubs, major highways, and ports to attract tenants in these industries. And let's face it, industrial properties aren't exactly known for their aesthetic appeal. They're functional spaces designed for efficiency, not necessarily beauty. This might not matter much to your tenants, but it's something to keep in mind. Another factor to consider is that industrial real estate can be highly specialized. The design and infrastructure of these properties are often tailored to specific industries, which can make it challenging to find new tenants if your existing tenant decides to move out. So, while industrial real estate can offer fantastic opportunities for long-term growth and stable income, it's crucial to carefully research the market, understand the specific needs of industrial tenants, and be prepared to potentially hold on to these properties for the long haul. Now, let's move on to the final type of real estate investment we'll be covering today: land. All right, let's wrap things up by exploring the world of land investments. This is about as raw as real estate gets, literally. We're talking about undeveloped land, the kind that's ripe with potential but also comes with its own set of unique considerations. Investing in land is all about betting on the future. You're essentially speculating that the value of a particular piece of land will increase over time, allowing you to sell it for a profit down the road. Now, there are different types of land investments. You've got raw land, which is completely undeveloped and often used for agricultural purposes or held for future development. Then there's agricultural land, which is used for farming, ranching, or timber production. And finally, we have land for development, which is exactly what it sounds like: land that's zoned and ready for construction, whether it's for residential, commercial, or industrial purposes. One of the biggest advantages of investing in land is the potential for appreciation. As populations grow and cities expand, the demand for land increases, driving up its value. Plus, land doesn't depreciate like buildings do. It's a tangible asset that's always going to be there. Another perk is that land requires very little maintenance. You don't have to worry about tenants, repairs, or property management headaches. However, land investments also come with their own set of risks. Zoning laws and regulations can change, which could impact your ability to develop or use the land as you intended. And here's the thing: land doesn't generate immediate income like rental properties do. You're essentially holding on to this asset, hoping that its value will appreciate over time. Investing in land can be a long game, requiring patience, research, and a bit of a speculative spirit. But for those who are willing to wait and potentially ride out some market fluctuations, it can offer substantial rewards down the road. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate insights. I'm passionate about helping you guys make smart financial decisions, and understanding the different types of real estate investments is a huge step in that direction. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on real estate investments or any questions you might have. I'm always happy to hear from you guys and provide any guidance I can. Remember, real estate investing can be a fantastic way to build wealth and achieve financial freedom, but it's crucial to do your research, understand the risks, and choose investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance.